Oh dear. Nasty cough.
Chew. Ooh-hoo.
Flu. Snotty nose. Phlegm. Bogus. Throwing up. The shits. There's horrible nasty germs all around throughout autumn and winter, so if you can be asked to get out of bed and drag yourself to the chemist's, ask for new cough, flu, vom, Pugon, available over the counter. Just 1 dose a day will soon have you raring to go again. Ask for it by name, that's if you manage to stop coughing and sneezing for long enough. Hee.
Chew-woo-woo-woo-hoo.
Okay, you're just taking the piss now. That wasn't even a proper sneeze, you were just showing off. No, I haven't got any tissues, you'll have to use your sleeve. New cough, flu, vom, Pugon. From Get Well. Always read the label, even though it's in a piddly little typeface. You need a fucking microscope to see, and put your hand over your mouth, dirty bugger.